Hello amazing people, welcome bright minds. In this future upload, we wanted to find the value of this expression 8 divided by 1 over 56, then times 56. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 56 divided by 56, which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 8 divided by 1 equals 8. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 8 divided by 1 over 56. To do this division, write down the 8 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 56 over 1, which gives 56. And here again we have times 56. 8 times 56 gives us 448. So 448 times 56, which equals 25,088. And so our final answer to this problem is just 25,088. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe to stay connected.